course, no game would be complete without the players. And sometimes people who are working in the back office, who are handling all of the data input and the bills and the invoicing, feel like they're all alone. So I think it's worthwhile to stop and think about everyone who's really involved in what's going on in that back office. Who has a vested interest in winning this game of accounting? Well, first of all, the owner and the owner's family. They're the ones taking the biggest risk, and in most cases their entire life revolves around this business. Secondly, we have the internal bookkeeper or accountant. We know that the accounting system is your baby, and you want to make sure that everything is handled efficiently and effectively and properly on the books. You're the caretaker and the parent of the accounting system, so you're heavily invested in a successful outcome. But who else is concerned about the accounting function? Employees certainly have a vested interest in the success of the company, and of course the financial system and bookkeeping are an inherent part of that success. And if you doubt that, just see what happens if you miss a payroll. Next, let's not forget our vendors and our bankers. They're both very interested in the success of the company and in what's going on in that back room, because they're not going to get paid unless the accounting function is operating properly. Just imply to a vendor or a banker that you're having issues with the accounting function, and I'll show you a very nervous vendor or banker. And finally, our customers have a vested interest in the success and viability of the company. They need to be reassured that the backroom operations are running properly. You're directly responsible for an extremely important portion of their life, their home, and ultimately their family's well-being. Their home is nearly always their single largest investment, and they want and need to know that you're fiscally responsible, that materials will be delivered on time, that subcontractors will show up as arranged and will be paid, and that the job will be handled in a financially competent manner. As in all sports, the team needs to function like clockwork, and a smoothly functioning back office and accounting function is a critical part of the mechanism. If one area of the clock doesn't work smoothly and effectively, everyone is compromised. So our goal is to help you be more efficient by helping you to maximize not only your QuickBooks accounting expertise, but to add to your accounting savvy and to share systems and controls to help your entire workplace function more effectively. We'll be conveying a lot of information, so you should continually be on the lookout for and taking notes about new ideas, tips, techniques, and alternative methods that can help to improve your company's financial success. Use what you learn here in your day-to-day job. You are a critical link in the successful functioning of your company, and your company needs you to be as curious, creative, and tuned into its needs as humanly possible.